Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cutting again. This video is going to be the Lesson 6 summary and cool down. So you're going to need your highlighter. So you can pause the video to highlight this or highlight it as I'm talking. So Lesson 6 was about double number lines. You can use a double number line diagram to find many equivalent ratios. For example, a recipe for fizzy juice says mix 5 cups of cranberry juice with 2 cups of soda water. The ratio of cranberry juice to soda water is 5:2. Multiplying both ingredients by the same number creates equivalent ratios. So since it's 5:2, my cranberry is going up by 5, my soda water is going up by 2s. Sorry, my thing is lagging. Not anymore. Okay. So this double number line shows that the ratio 20:8 is equivalent to 5:2. So if you mix 20 cups of cranberry juice with 8 cups of soda water, it makes 4 times as much fizzy juice that tastes the same as the original recipe. So these are all showing equivalent ratios, and we could keep going. Couple more things about double number lines. Double number lines easily display equivalent ratios with the numbers in each equivalent ratio lining up vertically. So these two are going to be equivalent to these two match up, these two match up. And a double number line can be used when drawing a diagram. Drawing a picture would be kind of a pain or too much work. One more thing I want you to notice is that the dashes or the ticks along these lines are evenly spaced out. So I'm showing that for one batch, it's 5 and 2. The next batch is an even space over, and then it's 10 and 4. And then the next batch is an even space over. So when you get to drawing these on your own, we're going to use a ruler, and you're going to make sure that that's evenly spaced out. Okay. You're going to pause the video, get out your cool down packet, and do your Lesson 6 cool down. Alright, Lesson 6 cool down. A recipe for one batch of cookies uses 5 cups of flour and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I labeled my top flour, my bottom vanilla. The flour is going up by 5s, the vanilla is going up by 2s, and this is showing this would be for one batch, 2 batches, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't say to do 6, but they gave us a line for it. Anyways, if you use 20 cups of flour, how many teaspoons of vanilla should you use? Well, 20 lines up with 8, so it would be 8. And if you use 6 teaspoons of vanilla, how many cups of flour should you use? So at 6 teaspoons of vanilla, it's 15 cups of flour. All right, that is it for this video. See you next time.